Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining me. I appreciate it. I'm Jackie. I'll be hosting our InfoPulse series every month. And thanks for joining on best practices, how to optimize your website. So we'll get started here. Um, so what's on the agenda for today is why optimize your website first and foremost, what it even entails. So we'll get down to, first impressions, speed, mobile friendliness, what some key terminology means, benefits, and then how our platform can help you. So what is website optimization? What does it even mean? So website optimization, it involves improving various aspects of a website to enhance its performance, user experience, and search engine rankings. So when you're looking at that, if you feel like your website isn't producing results that you're looking for, what some of the areas you want to focus on, because your website acts as the backbone for your business, are speed. So what that does is focus on reducing your loading times, search engine optimization, so optimizing content with relevant keywords, meta tags, quality backlinks to improve your search engine rankings, mobile friendliness, ensuring that your site is responsive and works well on all devices, your user experience, so improving navigation, using clear call to actions, ensuring the site is visually appealing, and also to making sure that it clearly explains who you are, what you're doing, and why you're doing it. Content quality as well. You want to make sure that you're providing valuable, engaging content and that it's regularly updated and fresh. So implementing these different strategies can lead to higher traffic, better engagement, and just increased conversions. So some benefits of optimizing your website. Some examples are just improving your overall experience or your user experience. So whenever you're looking at improving that, having a fast loading mobile friendly website, it really keeps your users engaged. It reduces your bounce rates. One example is Amazon did a study where they found on their website that for every 100 milliseconds of latency or lag, it costs them 1% in their sales. So by optimizing their site speed, they significantly increase their revenue. Another thing you want to look at when you're looking at higher search engine rankings for your website are different SEO techniques like keyword optimization, quality content, backlinks for improving visibility on search engines. So what backlinks are is it ties to another company's article or post or blog or white page or whatever it may be. And what this does is it optimizes, for example, say their blog for keywords, and it can help result in increased organic search traffic, which helps to increase conversion rates. So whenever you're looking to increase that aspect of your website, you want to look into if you have clear call to actions, how easy it is to navigate your website. And one thing too to consider is also utilizing A/B testing to enhance your user experience, where you can really see what's working for your website and what's not. So one example was this company, they improved their homepage design and navigation using A/B testing. So they had two different versions. And they, based off of the information that they collected, it helped to result in a 64% increase in their conversions. So also too, when you're looking at optimizing your website, you want to look at your analytics. So when you're looking at your website, a well-optimized website has clean code and structure to provide more accurate tracking and data analytics. So you want to make sure that you have either the right content management system in place, or you're building your website on a platform that can help track these. So one example is Airbnb. Everyone knows that company. They use data-driven optimization. So they're leading to personalized user experiences, which helps increase their booking rates. And it also gives you just a competitive edge as well. So whenever you're doing just regular updates, optimization to make sure that your website remains relevant and competitive, it helps with getting that higher search engine ranking, whether it's Google, or Bing, or Safari, whatever they're searching on. Another company, Zappos, they continuously optimize their website for speed, also their user experience, and this helps them stand out really in an overly crowded e-commerce space. So just focusing on these areas can really help significantly enhance your website's performance and increase your business outcomes. So whenever you're looking at search engine optimization and how to better enhance that for your website, there's more that goes into it than what you think. So one thing you do want to look at is having the right system in place as well to help you update keywords, your content, your images, your backlinks, whatever it may be for your blogs. And that's where our Jiffy content management system platform comes in. So whenever you're looking at your SEO, your keyword research is really important. So whenever you're identifying, you want to identify and use relevant keywords that match the clients you're actually looking for. So if you, for example, if you're a bakery, you might use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEMrush to discover that best cupcakes in, for example, Naples, that's where I'm located, and gluten-free desserts are popular searches for bakery. So then this local bakery here in Naples can incorporate those keywords into their website content, their blog posts, and product descriptions. So then that way it helps elevate their search engine ranking whenever someone is Googling or Binging or whatever, Safariing for a local bakery. Another thing you want to look into for search engine optimization is the quality of your content. You want to make sure that you're creating valuable, engaging content that answers questions and solves problems. So who you are, what you're doing, why you're doing it, and how it solves their problem. So for example, if you have a blog, you can consistently publish in-depth articles, ebooks, guides on marketing topics, and then with that valuable content, having the right content management system in place, you're able to attract a larger audience with those systems, keywords in place for your search engine rankings. Another thing too you want to look at is on-page optimization. So what this does is it optimizes titles, your meta descriptions, headers, and images with keywords. So say you're a trainer and you have a fitness blog, and you might optimize a post titled 10 best exercises for weight loss by using the keyword in the title, meta description, your headers, and within the first paragraph. So then they also add alternative text to images like weight loss and exercises. So then that becomes searchable as well. Going into your mobile optimization, you just really want to make sure your website is mobile friendly. Every single person is using a smartphone. Every single person is using a tablet. Unless you're working from home or you're at the office, not a lot of people are on their computer all day long looking at websites. So you really want to make sure that it is mobile friendly or smart device friendly. For example, when smart devices first started coming out, Walmart was, they revamped their website to be mobile friendly just to ensure that their users had a more seamless experience on smartphones and tablets. So that led to improved user engagement and higher search engine rankings for them. And also, too, you want to utilize backlinks. So when you acquire high quality backlinks from reputable sites, this can help with your search engine ranking as well. So for example, a tech startup, they might guest post on an established tech blog like Google or Microsoft, Apple, TechCrunch, Mashable, whatever it is, including backlinks to their site. So those high quality backlink signals to search engines that their site is just as reputable or authoritative, just like the blog, TechCrunch, Mashable, whatever it might be. And when you look at the technical SEO, what this does is it improves your site speed. So this is where speed comes in. So whenever you're looking to improve your site speed using HTTPS and fixing broken links is crucial. So a real life example of this would be the New York Times. They ensure fast load times by optimizing their images and using a content delivery network. So they also use HTTPS to secure their user data. So this also gives a sense of security to your clients or whoever might be visiting your website, the traffic that comes in. So these technical optimizations enhance your user experience and your search engine rankings as well. And then again, just regular updates. Keep your content fresh, up to date. There's so many different outlets and information out there that is accessible. So keeping things up to date helps in your SEO as well. And it also helps with different trends and the algorithm changes. So just keeping that practice, it helps your content remain relevant and maintain high in your search engine rankings too. One thing too, when you're looking at optimizing your user experience on your website, is you really want to make it easy, intuitive, and enjoyable for users to navigate and interact with. So some of these things: simplify your navigation, use clear menus and a logical structure that makes sense. Amazon uses a really clean hierarchical menu that categorizes products clearly. You can search, which comes back into a responsive design. So you want to ensure that the site works well on all devices. Another great example would be Dropbox's website. It adapts seamlessly across, desktops, tablets, smartphones, and it ensures as well going into fast load time. So you want to make sure you optimize your images, your scripts to help reduce those load times as well. If you look at Google's homepage, it's minimalistic. So that helps ensures quick load times because they know how many people are coming to them. So they have to immediately have that page be able to load fast. And that also ties into the quality of your content. So providing that valuable, well-organized content really helps in terms of being searchable and organized, leading into the user experience on your website as well. And it goes hand in hand with consistent branding. So you want to maintain a consistent look and feel. Probably seen this where you've came across a website and you're just like, what do they even do? Who are they? Like, I can't figure it out. You want to make sure that, again, who you are, what you're doing, why you're doing it, and your branding is all consistent. If you look at Apple's website, they use consistent fonts, colors, design elements, but they still stay ahead of the trend and they make it fun and engaging. So adding those interactive elements, so using forms, buttons, and clear call to actions effectively really help with that higher search engine ranking as well. So going back to like Airbnb, if you look at their homepage, it features a clear search button to find accommodations quickly. And collecting user feedback. All feedback is good feedback. Good, bad, ugly. If it makes you cry, it's good. You want to collect and act on every single user's feedback to improve continuously. One example of this is Slack. They continuously, regularly collect user feedback to refine and enhance their platform's usability and different features. So that's really cool of them. When you're looking at search engine optimization, I mentioned this Google Analytics as one of the tools to help you with this. This will help your website be searchable. So what Google Analytics is a tool for tracking and analyzing your website traffic and your user behavior. So by installing a small piece of code on your site, you can gather data on your visitor demographics, so where they're clicking from, behavior, how they interact with your content. This includes tracking metrics like page views, session duration, how long they're on your website, how long they're on a specific page, what they're looking at, bounce rates, conversion rates. And then with these insights, you can optimize your website for better user experience, improve your marketing strategies, and then ultimately increase your conversions and sales. So for example, like an e-commerce store, their problem is they have high cart abandonment rates. Solution: Google Analytics reveals the checkout page where users drop off, and then the store simplifies the checkout process, reducing the abandonment rate and increasing their sales. If you have a blog website, the problem, you have low engagement on blog posts, where the solution is analytics shows which topics get the most views and shares, and then the blogger focuses on popular topics, boosting reader engagement and increasing website traffic. If you're a service business, the problem, you have ineffective marketing campaigns. The solution, Google Analytics, identifies which campaigns drive the most traffic and conversions. So the business reallocates their budget to higher performing campaigns, maximizing their ROI. If you're a restaurant in the hospitality industry, your problem, low online reservations. The solution, analytics data shows that mobile users struggle with the reservation form. So what the restaurant does is they optimize the mobile experience, increasing the reservations. So these are just some examples to show how Google Analytics can help identify the issues that are going on, better understand your user behavior, and make data-driven decisions to improve your website performance. When you're looking at improving the website performance and the analytics, this goes into optimizing your content marketing. So what this involves is identifying your audience. So understanding who your target is and tailor your content to their needs and interests. Because whenever you're looking at the data, it might be different than what we would assume it would be that their interests and needs are. So that would go to your keyword research. So using tools to find relevant keywords to match your audience, what they're searching for, and then incorporating those keywords naturally into your content. So whether it might be in a blog post or an article or tied to an image. And then that would go into your SEO or search engine optimization best practices. So optimizing like on-page elements, like your meta tags, headers, and alternate text. You ensure your site is mobile friendly and fast, and that goes into high quality content as well. So making sure you're producing valuable, engaging, informative content that solves problems or answers the questions for your audience. And that all, again, comes full circle to content distribution. So promoting your content through social media, email newsletters, guest posts on relevant websites. This goes into also having the right platform in place. So having, Jiffy content management system or a platform in place for your business where you can easily analyze and adapt, right? So using analytics to track your performance. See it clearly, have dashboards, reports, adjust your strategy based on what content performs the best. And when you can clearly see that, you can make informed decisions. And these steps help attract, retain visitors, ultimately driving conversions and growth for your business. So one real life example, and I can't give company names, but Jiffy. So what we did is we utilized Jiffy for audience identification. Jiffy targets marketers, salespeople, and customer service professionals. Keyword research. So we focus on industry-specific keywords like inbound marketing and sales CRM. And then that goes into high-quality content. So our blog features comprehensive guides, how-to articles, case studies, and that goes into SEO best practices. So Jiffy, we utilize clear meta descriptions, headers, internal linking to improve your search engine optimization and content distribution. So we share content via social media, email campaigns, and partnerships with other sites. And then you're able to analyze and adapt. So you're continuously able to update your content based on performance metrics from the analytic tools put in place. And one thing that is overlooked a lot whenever businesses are creating a website or implementing it is just a schema markup. So what a schema markup is, it adds elements to the website, and it's usually coded. So it's a form of micro data added to a website's HTML to enhance search engine understanding. So whenever you're incorporating this, search engines can better interpret the content and present it in an enriched format, such as rich snippets or knowledge graphs and enhanced listings and search results. So this improves search engine optimization and can increase your click-through rates. So just overall, some key takeaways is having a good platform, a good content management system. So InfoFlex, we offer expertise in website creation, content management system solutions, and we focus on improving business efficiency and customer satisfaction through technology and digital transformation. With industry challenges, some common challenges we hear constantly include outdated technology, inefficiencies, poor customer management, or they just don't know where to start. So these can really hinder businesses' growth and customer satisfaction. So just having a conversation is always a way to start, just so you know either what your options are or where you do need to start. So benefits of low-code, no-code solutions. So Jiffy Content Management System is a low-code, no-code platform. You have faster development times, lower costs. It has increased accessibility for non-technical users. It's very user-friendly. You can do updates yourself, or you can have someone manage it for you and do the updates, and you wouldn't have to worry about it. But we also, it's customizable specifically for your business needs. So we have comprehensive services with implementation, training, and ongoing support. So you're supported through the initial consultation, implementation, and going forward from there. So that is our take on how to best optimize your website. And our next webinar will be Tuesday, July 23rd, same time, and we'll have a special guest. We will have Rick Cabello with Global Cybersecurity, and we'll be discussing what cybersecurity means for your business. In the meantime, if you have any questions, concerns, comments, please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn, or you can visit InfoFlex on Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, and reach out to us there. Thank you for joining, and I will talk to you next time.